welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Charisse, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a beginner's guide to couponing. Okay, so by no means am I a professional at this, but I have learned some skills in the last 3 months that I have been couponing, and I want to share them with you. Okay, so first, if you are new here, please consider hitting that red subscribe button. I provide weekly working mom content to inspire the working mama, and I would love to hang out with you on Instagram, and comment below where you're tuning in from. I would love to get to know you. Okay, so first things first, you guys, like I said, I'm not a professional, but I have learned from professionals, and I will put their YouTube channels in the description box so you can go ahead and check them out, because every single week they provide couponing deals, and there's times where I just go on their site and I have a notebook. This is my couponing notebook, and I just copy their deals, and this is what I do. Okay, so first I want to say that I shop mainly at CVS and Walgreens, more CVS than Walgreens. Okay, so when you're couponing, you first need to download the CVS app. You will have to download the CVS app, and CVS sends you some CVS coupons, and you can use that, because when you get CVS coupons, they're beauty coupons, personal care, grocery, household, baby, and all of these things. Okay, and so these are the CVS coupons here are called CRTs. Okay, so you will get you can also check them out digitally on your card, or they will look like this. Okay, so they'll look like this. It'd be like $3 off. This is $3 off of like a Maybelline. Okay, so this is the beauty of couponing. Okay, so first of all, when you go to CVS and they print out a long receipt, that receipt is not useless. You want to be able to save that. So first things first, before, like, okay, so there's so much to say. Okay, so first, when you are couponing, you have to go to CVS with a plan. Okay, so you have to know what you want, and you have to know your plan. Okay, so wait until the end of this video, because you guys, I'm gonna show you my couponing stash in my closet. I was actually gonna film with my stockpile in the back, but then there's not good lighting in the closet, so you have to wait till the end. Okay, so first you have to come with a plan. Okay, so let's say, for example, I did not go couponing this week because it's quarantine. We're quarantined, so I am just gonna show you, like, I'll tell you about another deal. Okay, so when you buy certain items at CVS, you can use the CVS coupon, and you can use the manufacturer coupon, and you can use those together. And then when you get those together, you then, depending on the product, you then also get a CVS extra care buck. So that means that CVS is giving you money back. Okay, so let's say, for example, you're buying the Crest mouthwash. Okay, so you buy one and you get $3 extra care bucks. So I bought 2 of them, and then it was $4.79, and it is $9.58, and then I had a minus $2 CRT CVS on my app, and then I had $2 off a manufacturer coupon. So then the total was $5.58, but then CVS gives me a $6 extra care bucks. So you guys, how much was that? Yes, it was free. Good job. Okay, so I have a notebook here, and there are two types of coupons, okay? So there's two types of brands. When you buy coupons, you can buy them on a Sunday, or you can actually order them if you want to order like 5 sets or 10 cents, and you can buy them from people on Instagram. If you want to know which ones I use, go ahead and comment below and I'll let you know. Or I'll just put in the description box. So here is, this is a coupon called Retail Me Not. So Retail Me Not, and there's also coupons that are called Smart Source. Okay friends, let me show you the latest one that I did. Okay, so they had a diaper deal, so I bought 2 packs of diapers for $12.79. It was 2 for $10. And then I got an Irish Spring body wash. I got 3 Irish Spring body wash, and then I got a free item there. And then I had a manufacturer coupon, minus 75. MFR means manufacturer coupon. And then I had $3 off digital coupon. And then I had a $10 Epic Beauty bonus. And then I used my $6 extra care bucks, and then I had another $5 manufacturer coupon. I had a $3 extra care bucks, and then I got 20% off because I have the care pass, and my total for that was $2.79. So I got a packet of 2 packets of diapers, 3 body washes, and a free item. And so not only did I only spend $2 on this item, I also got $10 back. So that is just one of the deals that I did. Okay, do you guys want to see my stockpile? Okay, let's go. Come on, come on. Okay, so first, these are some makeup deals. This one here, you know, I want to make sure that I'm buying things that I actually use. I use this mascara every single day when I get ready. And this one here is the nail clippers by Revlon. I had a coupon, the CVS CRT coupon, and it was $4 off of a Revlon product. And I didn't want to buy any Revlon product, but I bought this nail clipper and it was $4.19, so I paid 19 cents for that. And then this one here is the Maybelline eyeshadow. Okay, so when you buy 2 of these, you buy it for $7 and you get $7 extra care bucks back, so then it's free. And then this one also is a Revlon product. My sister gave me that, so thanks sis. And then so these are also mascaras here. And then this CoverGirl deal, they had a deal where you buy 2 of you spend $12, you get $6 extra care bucks back. And so I got that and I got money back. And these are also like some of the eyebrow deals where you get money back. So this is some of my like deodorants and shaves and all these things here. And this is some contact solution, so that is that. And then I have all of my different toothpastes here. And now I have my stockpile. Okay, so these are all my shampoos. You guys, when you buy like herbal essence, let's say for example herbal essence, sometimes you can buy two of them for essentially like $1 each, because it'll be like 2 for $7, and then you can have like a $3 off, $5 off of herbal essence, and then $2 off of the CVS coupon, so it's just pretty much free. So I feel like this is kind of trending right now. It's a whole bunch of like charcoal things. And then so I have my Tresemme, and then I have the Garnier Whole Blends, and I have like, you know, soap here. Okay, so this one was so fun to get this deal. Okay, so me and my sister went, and this was a Walgreens deal. Okay, so this is the brand Love Beauty and Planet. And so we had a coupon in our manufacturer coupon. It was buy 1 for $8, you get 1 free. So 2 of them is $8. Okay, but when you buy 2 of them, Walgreens was having an Epic Beauty deal where when you buy 2 you then get $14 back on your Walgreens card. So we went to like 3 different Walgreens that day and we got 3 of them, okay? And actually I'm using that now and I really like this. It smells really good. And I don't know what sulfate free shampoo means. So if you know what that means, go ahead and comment below and let me know, okay? So this is the Olay shampoo, okay? So this is not coupon. These are just like gifts that I got but I still have not used yet. And then so this is all my lotions. I got like 2, 4, 6, 8 of these lotions because it was like I had a $2 off of CVS. I had $2 off a manufacturer coupon. So one of them ended up being like 20 cents or something like that. And then, yeah. So this is also a Eucerin deal. So I had a Eucerin. I bought 3 of these ones. And it was spend $20 on Eucerin lotions and you get $10 back. So I personally love Eucerin. It's an amazing lotion that works really, really well. And so then that was a good deal. And then this is like with the CVS, this is my free item that I got. The Curel lotion, I remember getting like $4 off, and then I had another $2 off of the CVS coupon and all of these things, okay? So then I have like body wash here, and then I have mouthwashes. So that is my stash, you guys. Okay, so this is what the CVS app looks like. So you go into the app and then you click on new, and then you can see like what deals are having. Okay, so it's a $6 off of Curel lotion, $4 off of NYX Cosmetics, $4 off of Pantene, Colgate, Herbal Essence, and all of those things, okay? And then I actually have $10 of extra care bucks and more, okay? So this is some of the essentials that I have. I have a notebook that I showed you, a file cabinet, like a file thing for my coupons here. So that's how I organize it. And then I have a notebook where I write out my deals. Okay, so this is my sister helping me out, and this is what that looks like, because when you're at the store and you are buying these things, I don't really do big hauls, but you want to make sure you know and you expect what you are buying. Okay, so this is her handwriting, so shout out to you, sis. Okay, so this is the Crest deal I was telling you about. Buy 2, you minus the $2, $1. You want to make sure that that $4 came off, because if you're depending on the employee to take all the coupons for you, they're not really as concerned as you are. So you have to just make sure. And then I got $6 extra care bucks, the Gardner whole blends. It was 2 for $7 minus $4. I got $3. I paid $3 and then I got $2 back. And then this one, you can see I actually crossed it out because that was not a good deal. So this one was also a really good one, where it was the Eucerin lotion that I told you about. I bought 3 of those and then I paid $11.37. I got $10 back. So I got 3 Eucerin lotions. And then this is the eyebrow pencil. I spent $11.98 for 2 minus $6. I paid $5.98 and I got $5 back, so that was 98 cents. And this was the L'Oreal shampoo. It was $5.49 each, $10.98 minus $4 manufacturer coupon minus $3 CRT. I paid $3.98 and I got $5 back. So I got this this like little organizer from the Dollar Tree. So I have like my coupons and everything here. So when I go into the store, I have my plan of action written down. I have my coupons, and then I have my deals. So I also like keep scissors in there, and then I have like this really cool bag that I got from Thailand. I don't carry all of my stuff in there, but I just make sure that I'm ready. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like couponing and if this video was helpful for you, please hit that like button and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what type of videos you would like to see in the future. I would love to get to know you more. So until then, have fun couponing. Go ahead and check out the couponing videos that I like to watch in the description below. Talk to you later. Bye.